So today we're just going to do workbook 23, talk a little bit about box and whisker plot again, as we have here, and then you're going to have one box and whisker plot to make. So if you look here, it says begin by computing the mean and the median. So how do we get the mean? How do we get the average? Hey, not a trick question. We should know how to get average. You add them up and divide by how many numbers you have. So you have a calculator. Add those numbers up of all those wrestlers. And see what you get. Still page 23. We haven't changed. Careful so you don't miss one. See what you get when you add them all up. Caleb, what are you adding? You are? You're not even looking at anything. You got them memorized? Madison, did you add them? What'd you get?
2,242.
Okay, I got more than that. But we'll see what everybody else gets.
No one say the answers till the end.
It should be at the end, Landon. Do you have it? What'd you get? All the numbers. What'd you get? What'd you get? 2239?
2242.
So we got 3 different answers so far. We got 2242, 2239. I have 2542. Waiting for Landon and Caleb.
I got 246 and 2436. I think Allison missed it. Wait, we could play games on that calculator.
2384. That's another different answer. Nobody's gotten the same answer, Landon. Caleb, you got it yet? $2242. Is that what you had? We're gonna use it. Cause I just got that. 2242 divided by how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 2242 divided by 16. And what'd you get?
140.125.
Okay, we're gonna say about 140 pounds. That's the average weight of this wrestling team if you haven't looked at what we're figuring out. All right, what's the median? What is the middle number? So crossing out the big and the small. 142 is in the middle, right in the middle of those two. Okay, so label that as our median. That would be right here. And remember, when we do box and whisker plots, now we got to figure out the median of the first half and median of the second. So looking at this first 8 numbers, what is the median? What is the middle there? Cross out the big and the small.
110.
Cross out the big and the small. And it should be between 104 and 110. What's between 104 and 110?
102.
106.
That's not between there at all, Landon.
Oh wait.
106.
Never mind. Yeah. No.
Nope, not 106.
108.
107.
107. Okay, we're going to label that. That is our quartile 1. How about the middle of the back half? So that would be what's between 182 and 187. If you can't see it, you add them up and divide by 2. 182 plus 187 divided by 2. What do you get? 182 plus 187 divided by 2. You have a calculator, so why isn't nobody giving me an answer?
184.5.
Thank you. Okay, I'm also going to list the min. Smallest number is 86, and the max is the largest number of 194. All right, so the mean was 140. You said the median was 142. The question was asking, what is the difference? Difference means subtract. So what's the difference between our median and our mean if I subtract those two? $142 minus 140.
142 minus what?
140. 2, thank you.
How you didn't get that?
No, you did not need a calculator. Is the median closer to 68 or 194? Is 142
No.
closer to 194 or 68?
184. Alright. I can't see them. 180. I don't know.
It's not even a choice, Landon.
Uh-oh.
194 minus 142. It is 52 away from 194. 142 minus 68. It is 74 away from 68.
So that means
That means it is closer to 194. Okay? If you guys have a calculator, use them. Don't just guess answers. Use that calculator. Number 3, describe how Josh and Brad wrestle in different categories, heavyweight versus lightweight, based on the box and whisker plot. Okay, Brad is 74 pounds, so Brad will be here. That would be in the lightweight division. Josh is 189, so he's up here. That would be the heavyweight division. Okay, so anybody in this first group would be our lightweights. Anybody in the end here would be our heavyweights. And I guess the middle would be middle class, middleweights.
There's only one heavyweight and one lightweight.
Okay, so that is our box and whisker plot.